For today's video, I will show you how to make this crystal beaded bracelet. So let's start. So our materials are Miyuki 11O seed beads, 3mm of metallic beads, 6mm of Rondel beads, chain, lobster clasp, 0.20mm of beading thread, Miyuki beading needle. So let's start. So we will make the clasp part. So I will pick 3 metallic beads and clasp. So I will pass through it and knot them. I will knot them for 3 times. So let's make it once again. Now I'll pass the needle once again to make it more tough. Just like this. So I will pick, the next is I will pick 1 blue and 7 11O seed beads, 5, 6, 7 and 1 blue rondel. And we are exiting here to this part, and I will pass the needle from the opposite side of our working thread like this. So I will pass the needle here and pass the needle to these 4 seed beads. And pick 3mm of metallic beads, and we are exiting here. So we will pass the needle from the opposite side of our working thread like this. Now we'll pass the needle to these 3mm metallic beads and to these beads. Just like this. And then the next is I will pick a different color. This light blue, rondel beads, 1 rondel beads and 7 seed beads. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 rondel. So we're exiting here. I will pass the needle from the opposite side of our working thread like this, and then I will pass the needle to the rondel beads and to the 4 11O seed beads. Now we'll pick again 3 metallic beads. So we're exiting here, and then I will pass the needle from the opposite side of our working thread. So I will pass the needle here and here. So we will make this same method until we reach our needed length. I'll be back. So we made 12 units, and the next is I will attach our chain. So I'll pick 4 3mm of metallic beads, chain, no, I think we will put the chain like this. So I will pull it down and pass a needle to these two. Oh, and then pass the needle again to these two metallic beads and to the chain, and then metallic beads and seed beads. So I think now I'll pass the needle again to these metallic beads. Oh. And to chain and metallic beads. And the next is I will pick, next step is I will pick 4 11/0 seed beads, pass the needle to these Rondel beads and pass the needle here and go to this metallic beads and pick 4 11/0, pass the needle here, pass the needle here, and here, pick 4 ivory, pass the needle here, I pass the needle to these metallic beads till here. So I will repeat it until we reach here. So I reach here and I will pass the needle to these metallic beads and to the rondel and pick 4 11/0 and pass a needle to these metallic beads. Pass a needle to these metallic beads, rondel, and pick 4 11/0 and pass a needle to this metallic beads, like this, and pass a needle to these metallic beads and rondel. So we will make and repeat it. We'll make it and repeat the process until we reach bracelet until here. I'll be back. So this is the last part, and I'll pass the needle here. this. So I will reinforce it and knot it. No, not here. To the next. Metallic bead. So almost done and done. This is our bracelet for today. I hope you like it, and if you like my videos and project, please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up, and thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.